this Halloween, Michael Myers is returning to the big screen for like the 40th anniversary edition of Halloween. Now, a lot of the original cast have been brought back for this feature, including Jamie Lee Curtis. Now, in the original film, Jamie Lee Curtis was basically haunted by Michael Myers. Well, now her fears are returning as Michael Myers sets out to basically haunt yet again. Halloween is coming early this year. Alright? So yeah. Got a lot of the original cast coming out to this, like, enclosed space here at the Elgin Winter Garden Theater, which is like a rare location for the Midnight Madness screenings, which are usually held over at Ryerson. Now, like Predator, Halloween is like another cult classic franchise. Alright? Michael Myers is back with the mask this Halloween. He was last on the big screen nearly 10 years ago.